Welcome, budding cricketers. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of cricket, a game that's not just about bats and balls, but a whole lot of excitement. Here's the cricket pitch, a battleground where two teams face off. Each team has 11 players ready to showcase their skills and teamwork. Behold, the cricket bat, the mighty tool for scoring runs. And there's the ball, aiming to outsmart the batsman. Don't forget those stumps. They guard the wicket like brave soldiers. The bowler steps up, ready to unleash their secret weapon, the ball. Meanwhile, the fielders are poised to catch, run, and stop those sneaky runs. Ah, the thrill of batting. The batsman defends the wicket while aiming to hit the ball and score runs. Watch out for those boundaries and sixes. They're golden treasures. Meet the stars of the show. The batsman swings for glory, the bowler delivers tricks and surprises, and the wicketkeeper guards the stumps like a ninja. Score runs by hitting the ball and running between the wickets. But beware, if the ball hits the stumps or is caught by the fielder, it's out for the batsman. The umpire is the boss on the field, making fair decisions. Cricket is not just about playing. It's about sportsmanship, respect, and fair play. And there you have it, the cricket game in all its glory. So grab your bat, ball, and mates. Let's hit the pitch and have a blast playing this amazing game of cricket.